All right, lesson seven. We've looked at regular polygons, okay? Regular meaning all the same sides and all the same angles. Now we're just going to add in the ir at the beginning of it. We're going to deal with irregular polygons, which are polygons that do not share any, they don't have any real special properties. They're not, they don't share all the same heights and stuff like that. So basically what you do on this, and it's very, very quick. Okay, notice we've got some uh, different, oh, I skipped a bit there, different pieces here. Basically what you want to do, it's super, super quick, is we want to break this thing into triangles, just like we did with the regular polygons. We want to break this thing into triangles. Um, oh, I don't need that second line, sorry. Um, Notice how I have two triangles here now. So what you need, okay, notice how you have, like I said, you have two triangles. In order to find the area of a triangle, you need both the base and the height. So I'm going to call this triangle 1. I'm going to call this triangle 2. I'm going to get rid of that one because it's right in the way. Okay, and so you need the base and the height. Now, if we look at that top triangle number 2, okay, its base or its height is right here, and its base is that horizontal line. Likewise, the height for triangle number 1 is that guy right there. Now, if you got a printout copy of this, you can grab your ruler and measure this, because you'll notice um, there's no numbers on here. So we can use our rulers to measure these things. Okay, you can measure the two heights as 1.7 and 4 centimeters, and then you measure this as 9.5 centimeters, like so. Basically, all you do then is you just throw in the numbers that you have here. Base of triangle 1 is 9.5 centimeters. It's that whole horizontal distance. The height is 4 centimeters. And then same thing for triangle 2, because we cut that thing in half, the base is 9.5 centimeters, and the height would be 1.7 centimeters. So then your area, you just multiply them together, divide them by 2, gives you 19.0 square centimeters and 8.1 square centimeters. So then you can add those together. 19.0 and 8.1 gives you 27.1 square centimeters. Okay, it's as simple as that. Do the exact same thing with a five-sided. It makes it a little trickier in that you have to break it into a whole bunch. You have to break it into three different triangles. And how I would do that is I would start at this point over here, and I would break it into, oh, that didn't work. Break it into that triangle right there. And I would go from the original point that I started with, this point over here, and I would go directly across to the next point over like that. So we can break it into triangle 1, 2, and 3, like so. Okay, so we got three triangles there, so we can figure out what the bases are and the heights are of each of those. Okay, the height for triangle 1 would be right here. Actually, I'm going to make that a different color so it doesn't interfere with my lines. Okay, our height is right there. The height for triangle 2 is right here, and the height for triangle 3 is right there. So using those, we can, oh, I forgot, I missed that, there we go, I need black, because this is triangle 3. Okay, using a ruler again, we can find that this is 2.8 centimeters, that altitude, or sorry, that height, and the base here is 11.8 centimeters. And then same thing, 5.0 centimeters for that height with a base here of 12.0 centimeters, and then 3.8 centimeters on triangle 3. So what we can do is we can build a table just like we did with the last one. Okay, so triangle, base, height, and area are the four categories. So for triangle 1, it has a base of 11.8 centimeters and a height of 2.8 centimeters. So we can use those two to find the area of 16.52 square centimeters, like so. Then triangle 2, okay, triangle 2 has a base of 12 centimeters and a height of 5 centimeters, which we can then multiply to give us an area of 30 square centimeters. And then we can do the same thing for triangle 3, where notice triangle 3 has the same base as triangle 2 at 12 centimeters, and it has a height of 3.8 centimeters, which we can multiply together to give us 22.8 square centimeters. And then we can just add all the three up together. So the total area is 16.52 square centimeters plus 30.0 square centimeters plus 22.8 square centimeters, which will give you a total area of 69.3 square centimeters. And that's all it is. Okay, it's as simple as that. I don't believe that I actually have a assignment for this one. So just so you know, you do know how to do this, but we'll carry on into lesson 8 after this.